Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to make a pom-pom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is take some yarn like this, and then wrap it around your 4 fingers. Don't wrap it too tightly, so then you can take it off. The more rounds that you do, the bigger that your pom-pom will be. Okay guys, so I think this is good enough. Now I will take it off. Cut the string and just hold it like this. Then taking some more yarn, what you wanna do is just wrap it around and take it in tight. Just as tight as you can so it doesn't open. Now going through the middle of this part, you want to take your scissor and just go into the middle and just cut it. Okay guys, I think this side is good. Now moving on to the other side, you want to do the same thing. Okay guys, this is how it will look. Now I'll be cutting the long strings until I get a good fitted size pom-pom. Okay guys, my pom-pom is ready. Now you got a really good shape size pom-pom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more awesome videos. Goodbye.